Hello, what's up guys, I'm Benson. Welcome to the ENJOIN channel. The global coronavirus situation is serious. A lot of viruses are hiding in public places, so the public bathroom is very dangerous at the moment. My brother, my sisters, I pray to God bless you all well, and I have got an exciting product to share with you and defense coronavirus. This is shortened. Click on the subscribe and like and turn on the little bell. You will not miss our video. At the end of the video, I prepare a coupon for you, so let me show you the shortened. In the box, we get the unit itself and 4 brackets that attach to any roof rack system, giving you a bag of stainless steel bolts, and you'll get some toys and sticks in this nylon bag. How we mounted and fit on my car is very simple. First, we are going to slit the bolts. And put brackets. Okay, we are almost my favorite part. Let's go. We can see it's nice and firm, so let's see the sort of guy operates. First, flip the top of the guy, 2 straps like that. The shortened just drops down, and there have 2 arms, so we have to do the top one first, and we lock in position like that, and another one. Okay, well completed. So let's see more details on the shower tent. The zipper is SBS, and the shower tent uses 420D Oxford. That waterproof level is 3000 PU. Its UV is 50 plus, and It uses 550 PVC and black aluminum frame. This is a bracket system that's very firm. And we move to the center. We can see the shower head holder, and we will see the soap net. We can put shampoo, soap, or towels. And there have a waterproof bag. We can put clothes. Yeah. And it uses fiberglass rods hold the shape. And the shower tent has a LED light strip that has a regular USB cord. Okay, so we can shower at night, or we can put a portable toilet in the tent, so it becomes a privacy bathroom. We can know that in the coronavirus environment, we really need some privacy places. A shower tent solves this problem for us. Now, you can click the link below the video and make a purchase. The coupon in the link too. What kind of tent do you want to know? You can comment in this video. The comment gets most likes. We will do it next time. Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe and like and turn the little bell. You will not miss our video. Okay guys, see you next time. Peace and love.